Good morning, my friends and my teachers. How are you all? As we all know that today is Mother's Day, means 9th May. So, Mother's Day in Hindi, Mata Divas, Ma Divas, and etc. etc. First of all, I will give all respect to all mothers with my own hearts. So, thank you to you all. I have a speech on Mother's Day. So, let's start. Mother's Day was first celebrated as an American holiday in 1872. It was called a Mother's Day for peace and was suggested by Julia Ward Howe, who is the best known for writing Battle Human of the Republic. She had nursed the wounded during the Civil War and was determined to put an end to war. She wanted to set aside a day decided not only to mothers but also to peace. Later, in 1907, Anna Jarvis started a campaign for National Mother's Day. She arranged to hold a church service in Philadelphia on the anniversary of her mother's death and started the custom of wearing a carnation. This custom is still observed. In some places, it is now the custom to wear a red carnation if your mother is living and a white carnation is she has died. By 1915, Jarvis campaign had become so successful. President Woodrow Wilson proclaimed the second Sunday in May to be Mother's Day. In the United States, mothers are honored in many other countries as well on different days and with the different customs. However, mother the world would like to receive flowers and candies in honor of their day. So I have a passage on mom means Mother's Day. So listen please. Mom, you are the strongest person I have ever known. I admire you for your strength, kindness, and compassion. You are my mother, teacher, and my best friend. I know I don't say it often enough. Mom, you mean the world to me, and every year that passes, I love you even more, and I am grateful for your every day. Happy Mother's Day. So I have one poem on Mother's Day. So listen please. माँ तो जन्नत का फूल है, प्यार करना उसका उसूल है। दुनिया की मोहब्बत फजूल है, माँ की हर दुआ कबूल है। माँ को नाराज करना इंसान तेरी भूल है। माँ के कदमों की मिट्टी जन्नत की धूल है। So thanks to love.com and I have one more passage on Mother's Day. So, my mummy, you are my super mom in the whole world, and I am your teeny hero who always break the rules but never across the wild borders. You always protect me with your magic, touch, and mighty hands. You never let me down even if I am so close to be terminated. You are from the universe. Sunsana Otam, my desert mummy. I am you today, tomorrow, until the end. Happy Mama's Day! And I have a thought on Mother's Day. My mother, my friend, so dear throughout my life. You are always near, a tender smile to guide my way. You are the sunshine to light my day. Happy Mom's Day! I love you! One more passage on Mother's Day. My mother is a woman like no other. She gave me life, nurtured me, taught me, deserted me, fought for me, held me, shouted at me, kissed me, but most importantly, she loved me unconditionally. There are not enough words to describe just how important my mother is to me and what a powerful infused she continues to you. Mother, I love you. So, I have one more passage on Mother's Day. So, a mother's love, whose is the heart that bursts with pride each time she sees your face, whose are the eyes that dart about to check your word in safe, whose are the arms that wrapped you up and hold you tight and close, who's the love that always there whenever you need it most, whose is a smile that lights the room when you are smiling too, whose shoulder is the place to be when only a cuddle will you, whose chest is warm and comforting when you are a weary soul, whose motivation only had happiness as her goal, whose are the tears that cry for you as you grow old and free, whose is the heart that achieves so much in the space where you should be, whose is the head that knows that you must find your path alone, whose is the voice who welcomes you each time you go back home. You could have so many facets that makes her oh so great, who has you on her mind each day, and today we celebrate, whose hand hold and guide you in way unlike another. All these are part and parcel of the joys of being a mother. Thank you www.msmoem.com. So finish all the passages, poems, thought and speech on Mother's Day. So thank you to all, and be safe from corona, stay home, stay healthy. Bye bye. Hope you like the video, enjoying the video, and subscribe for more videos like this, and subscribe this, share this. Thank you.